Your ears are your best teachers. Listen carefully, and English will come naturally.
Hey, amazing English learner! Today, we're diving into something super fun and powerful, your shadowing challenge. This is your moment to get loud, feel confident, and make your English shine with me, step by step. So, how's your day going? Did anything make you grin today? Did you pick up a cool new phrase from yesterday? If you did, that's awesome! I'm seriously proud of you. If not, no big deal. You're here now, and that's what matters most. Let's be real for a sec. Just listening isn't enough to become a strong speaker. If you want to speak better, you gotta speak, speak, speak. But where do you start? If you feel a little shy or confused, don't worry. That's where shadowing saves the day. Shadowing is simple. You listen to me, and then you immediately repeat, copying the sound, the flow, the whole music of the sentence. It's not about being perfect. It's about giving your mouth and your mind that practice, feeling what it's like to speak English. Even if you go slow, that's okay. Even if you mess up, that's even better. Mistakes are just proof you're trying. Remember this secret. It's not about how long you study. It's about how often. 5 consistent minutes every day beats 1 big hour once a week. If you're here with me right now, you're already crushing it. Today, we're tackling 30 simple, powerful sentences. I'll say them slowly and clearly, and then there'll be a pause. That's your spotlight moment to repeat. Just watch the captions, follow the highlighted words that guide you, and please speak out loud. Yes, it might feel a little funny at first, but this practice is perfect for wherever you are on your English adventure. Don't stress yourself out. Start small and just show up every day. Ready? Let's warm up those English muscles and speak our way to fluency. Welcome to this amazing speaking session. My name is Stella, and I absolutely love helping you learn. Why shadowing? Great questions. Shadowing is a rock star technique because it boosts your speaking, listening, and pronunciation all at once. When you shadow, you're not just hearing English, you're echoing it. This helps your mouth get used to English sounds and your brain pick up on sentence rhythms. Slowly, you'll start sounding more natural, more confident, and more fluent. Listen carefully, then speak clearly with me. And seriously, don't worry about perfect. You're learning. You're here. And that is what truly counts. Shall we jump into your first set of sentences? Let's do it together. Awesome. But first, a quick promise. Promise me you won't give up. Not today, not tomorrow, not on this challenge. Can you promise that? Yes! Beautiful! I knew you could. The plan is super easy. I say a sentence, you listen. You repeat after me. Feel free to hit pause and practice it again. Follow the subtitles. Notice the emphasized words. Feel the rhythm. Hear the sound and speak with me. We'll take it one simple step at a time. Let's begin. I feel good today. I feel good today. I need to practice more. I need to practice more. Can you say that again? Can you say that again? I understand now. I understand now. That's interesting. That's interesting. I'm learning new words. I'm learning new words. Let's try to speak. Let's try to speak. What does this mean? What does this mean? I like this simple sentence. I like this simple sentence. English is fun. English is fun. That's amazing. We just hit 10 sentences. Now, let's just turn the volume up a tiny bit. Let's try some slightly longer, even cooler sentences, okay? I am making progress every day. I am making progress every day. Mistakes are my best teachers. Mistakes are my best teachers. My English is getting better. My English is getting better. I love challenging myself. I love challenging myself. Today is a good day to learn. Today is a good day to learn. Don't be afraid to speak up. Don't be afraid to speak up. I understand more and more. I understand more and more. Every lesson makes me stronger. Every lesson makes me stronger. Slow progress is still progress. Slow progress is still progress. I feel proud of my effort. I feel proud of my effort. Wow, you just nailed 20 sentences with me. That is seriously incredible. Give yourself a massive smile. You earned it. You are showing up, putting in the work, and that's exactly how progress happens. You are doing absolutely awesome. Ready for the home stretch? Let's crush 10 more sentences for your shadowing practice. I am truly so excited for you. Let's keep this energy rolling. Grab a quick sip of water, stretch a little, and when you're ready, let's finish these last 10 sentences. Let's go! I wish I could speak English fluently. I wish I could speak English fluently. I have been studying English for 2 years. I've been studying English for 2 years. Before I left, I checked my notes one more time. Before I left, I checked my notes one more time. If I had more time, I would read more books. If I had more time, I would read more books. I am planning to travel abroad next year. I am planning to travel abroad next year. I think that learning a new language is exciting. I think that learning a new language is exciting. The teacher explained the rule, which was very helpful. The teacher explained the rule, which was very helpful. Even though it was difficult, I didn't give up. Even though it was difficult, I didn't give up. I should have reviewed this lesson yesterday. I should have reviewed this lesson yesterday. The hardest part is understanding native speakers when they speak fast. The hardest part is understanding native speakers when they speak fast. Great job! We just finished 30 sentences together in your shadowing challenge. Did you have fun? I hope you did, because you truly dedicated this time to yourself today. Remember, fluency grows from daily practice, not from a single effort. And hey, if you ever feel stuck or unsure, this video is always here for you. Come back and practice again. Every time you repeat, you get just a little bit stronger. Keep practicing, keep smiling, and know that I am so proud of you. You absolutely can do this. Well, that's it for today. I'll see you again in the next challenges right here on the Speak Easy channel. And seriously, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so we can keep meeting up. Have a wonderful day and bye for now.